Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application, and once the devices are paired together, you can open the Honor Health application, then tap on device, and here select your Honor Watch 6. Now find the option called notifications and tap on it, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed and you try to enable the notifications, you will see the pop-ups on the screen about the permissions. So allow them, and sometimes you will see the pop-up about the notification access. Right now we don't see it because it's not disabled, but if we quickly go to settings, special app access, notification read and reply, find the Honor Health and disable the notification access. So when you try to enable the notifications, you will see this pop-up as well. Tap on enable, it will redirect you to this page, so you don't need to go through the whole settings page. It just will be redirected automatically, and then you need to find the Honor Health application, enable it, allow it, and once you allow the notification access, you can tap on the back button and the notifications will be enabled. And once you allow the permissions and enable the notifications, you will see the list of applications on your phone, and you can turn on and off the notifications for them by tapping on the switch next to them. And how it works is quite simple. If you enable the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will also pop up on your watch. If you disable it right here, it won't pop up on your watch, you will see it only on your phone. Okay. And once you're done setting up the permissions for the notifications and settings for the notifications, you should be able to receive them. So if I send myself a message on Discord to test it, it should pop up on our phone and also on our watch. So let's go to Discord. I'm just gonna write some gibberish, so don't mind the message, it's just gonna be some letters. Here we have it on our phone. Let's check our watch. We have the notification dot, so if we swipe up on the screen, the notification, it is here as you can see, so it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.